Hello and welcome back to another other video. Today we're going to be continuing our coverage on the next couple of systems. Yesterday we looked at the European model and how it showed a possible severe threat morphing into a nor'easter. Now today we're going to be looking at the GFS and kind of seeing almost the same thing, but this time we have a potential snow threat in early May. So if you like this video, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell. Now let's get right on into it. So we start off here with our current system that moves off the coast. Now we kind of get a little bit of a flood threat in southern Texas, and that eventually moves into the northeast as maybe a nor'easter, but mostly this is a weak enough low that it might not even form. So that's just a offshore system there. Then we get a potential severe threat again. Now this one is a little bit less major, but as it starts to move into the southeast, it becomes more of a soaker, and then a line of thunderstorms forms at the last second there. We get that low pressure moving out into the Atlantic, and look at that. Those are some specks of blue, and eventually pink. That is possibly heavy snow in areas of the northeast. Now, that is at May 8th. So, here is the total snowfall from now until middle of May, according to the GFS. So you can see here, areas of the northeast could see 6 to 12 inches of snow in May. So that is abnormal, even though we did see a nor'easter that brought a little bit of snow in May last year. This seems a little bit more major. So if this does happen, again, records could be broken, especially in areas of southern New York, western Massachusetts, northwestern Connecticut, areas of Pennsylvania, where snow in May is very unlikely. Now, in the very tippity tops of the mountains, maybe you see a little bit of snow in May, but those numbers are probably going to be a lot higher than normal. Definitely 14 inches possible. That may be a record for even the tops of the mountains in the northeast. So nonetheless, this is very abnormal, and you can see here that if we go to the total accumulated precipitation, this storm brings with it a lot of moisture, so that amount of snowfall is pretty decent from that storm system. So here comes right in here. So you can see that most of the northeast will see at least an inch of rain from that if they're not seeing any snow. But if you calculate all that in over the next 2 or so weeks, that is an easy 2+ inches of rain in the northeast. Then you have areas of the south getting 10 to 12 inches of rain. So we're seeing multiple threats. We're seeing severe threats, flood threats, snow threats. It's insane, and we're kind of just getting into some of the weeds here in terms of severe and flood threats. Usually those both peak between May and August. So we're in for a fun-filled ride as we start to approach probably the most crazy time of the year, with hurricane season starting up pretty soon. So we gotta see how it goes, but that's all I have for today. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time.